Welcome you all to my channel. So today's topic is all about my Honda CBR 250R, that why I have chosen this bike over the other bikes which are available in the market. So let me explain you in detail. So back in 2010 I have brought a Hero Honda Hunk, which is a 150cc bike. I have used it for my daily commute as well as for the weekend rides. I have almost completed 50,000 plus kilometer on that bike, and I'm still using it for my daily commute. I just love this bike. But after using it for more than 7 years, I thought of upgrading it. So in 2018, I thought of upgrading from 150cc to the higher segment bike. So for that, I have shortlisted few of the bikes which you can see on my screen. That is Bajaj RS200, KTM 390, Bajaj Dominar 400, Suzuki Gixxer 250, Honda CBR 250R, then Yamaha 250 FZ, then the Classic 350, and finally Benelli TNT 250. So I have mentioned few points. First one is the budget. Maximum is 2 lakh. Then the maintenance cost should be low. Third one is the looks. Fourth one is the average 30 to 40 km per liter. Fifth one is the cruising speed. Sixth one is the reliability, and last one is the availability of parts. So based on these points, I have filtered some more options. Benelli TNT 250 out of budget, Classic 350 huge amount of maintenance. Then I do not like the looks for Gixxer 250. Then the top speed of FZ 250 is not as per my expectation because of 5-speed gearbox. Then the reliability issues on KTM and the maintenance cost of RS200. So after considering all these points, I have shortlisted two of the bikes. The first one is the Honda CBR 250R and the second one is the Bajaj Dominar 400. Then further I have used the same points to find which is the best option for me. So for first budget point, Dominar is around 1,90,000 and CBR is around 2,20,000. So point goes to both of the bikes. Then the maintenance, for Dominar it has the higher side of maintenance than the CBR. Then the looks, I like the looks for both Dominar as well as CBR. Then for average, Dominar provide you around 25 to 27 km per liter and CBR provide you around 35 to 37 km per liter. So point goes to CBR. So for cruising speed, I do not see much difference. Dominar provide you around 155 km top speed and CBR can go up to 145 km. So there is no much difference. Then the reliability, no one beat Honda. Then the spare part availability, point goes to both Dominar as well as CBR. So the final output, you can see 4 point goes to Dominar and 7 point goes to CBR. So the winner of this battle is CBR 250R. So this is how I have considered Honda CBR 250R as my upgrade from 150cc to 250cc. I know this is bit of a old generation bike, but still it can beat its competitor. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next exciting episode. Till then, ride safe, drive safe, and enjoy your ride.